So we're going to do exercise 4.5, starting from page number 116. And go ahead and open a document called managedata.docx and read it, save it as a CO4-EO4-managed data. All right, and then we are going to apply some formatting. So go ahead and apply, select all, Control A, see, Control A, and then we will change the spacing to single. So let's see, under the Home tab, go to the paragraph group, and then here is the line and paragraph spacing. Go ahead and click on it, and then change to single. You'll notice that as you move down to different options, you will see the preview. So go ahead and click on 1.0. That's a single spacing. And then while the text is still selected, and we'll change the end spacing after paragraph. So where is a space after paragraph? So obviously you can just go ahead and click on this, or more specifically, if you want, just go ahead and click on this spacing and then line spacing options. Either way, it'll take you to the same spot. Okay, so that's paragraph dialog box, or you can click on this button and it'll take you to the paragraph dialog box. And currently the spacing for the paragraph, spacing before and after, the currently is 8 point. So you can go ahead and change that by using this up, down, and up, but there is no odd number. So, but the textbook wants 3 points, so you need to highlight it and replace it with 3 points. Or you can just delete the whole thing, and you can simply press number 3, and then it'll automatically set the point automatically for you. So go ahead and click on OK. And now you have, after paragraph, you have 3 points. So basically, come here, press the, let me just turn the show and hide. So here you click, press the enter key. Sorry, so my keyboard is a little bit slower to respond. So again, just press the enter key. After that first line, after the line, you have a 3 point. After the paragraph, you have a 3 point spacing. That's basically what I just have done. Okay, and then let's go ahead and go to the end of the document by holding down the Control key and press the End key, so that my insertion point is blinking at the end. Let me just turn off the hide and show and hide. And then we're going to just copy the entire document. So hold down the Control key and letter A. And then under the Home tab, in the Clipboard group, go ahead and click on Copy. So before we did cut, but this time we're going to copy it. So it is copied. Well, you don't see it because it is on the clipboard, not on the document. So you still have to paste it. So just go ahead and click on at the end of the document, or hold down the Control key and the End button on your keyboard, and then go back to the clipboard group and click on Paste, and it'll paste to at the end of the document. Okay. All right, so that's the text again at the end of the document to do this. And okay. All right, so let's go ahead and paste again. So go ahead, insertion point at the end of the document, go ahead and click on Paste. So it's going to just keep pasting the same thing, whatever that you just copied previously. Okay, so I can undo a couple of them or go forward. So let's say I have 3 of them, and that's good. And now we're going to go to 4.5b, copying selected text using the mouse. So again, there are different ways of copying and pasting, or cut and paste, but this is another trick. So let me just go ahead and delete this part, and then I select this. Let's see, I select just that part, and then let's say I want to just make a copy of it without using these tools. I can just hold down the just select the text, okay, and then you move your mouse. Right now is currently is an I-beam, but as you get closer and closer and go over it, it becomes a pointer, the arrow pointer. Okay, that's when you can click on it, and then you can, after that, you press and hold down the control key on the keyboard, and you'll notice that the pointer has extra plus sign right at the end. You see that? I'm holding down the control key, and I'm going to release it now. It goes away. Hold down and let go of the control key. So anyway, so hold down the button, and then you go to the spot where you want to release it, and make sure that before you release it, hold down the control key, then you get the plus sign, and let go. And that's how you copy it. Okay, so let me undo that. So what's the difference between just selecting and then click and hold it and drag it down here, let go? What's the difference? Well, this one just simply moves it. So let me just go back. Okay, so hit enter key a few times to make it a little bit more obvious. So I hold, I select the text and click somewhere in the middle, and then you drag it and let go. That's basically cut and paste or moving. But this one, if you want to copy and paste, basically you want to make a duplicate, you select it and then click some in the middle when you have the arrow pointer, and then drag it down, then hold down the control key. You have to hold it down so you see the plus sign right below the arrow. Okay, when you have the arrow down here and then you have a plus sign, that's when you just let go of the button on your mouse. So let go of the button and then let go of the control key. That's the sequence. Okay, and then you can have a paste options once you have this pasted. All right, so that's the end of 4.5.